Hey guys, let's talk about our work today, Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. All right, a few announcements. Again, you can join me today anywhere from 10:30 to 12 for a Google Chat. I will put the link on here this morning when I get the meeting set up. Also, I will begin live classes today at 9:45. Please join me. I will also put that link on this page when I get it set up. If we have not spoken to each other or I've not seen your face on Google Hangouts this week, I will schedule an appointment with you. I do want to talk to everybody before the week is over. All right, so let's talk about what we're going to do today. Last week, March 18th, we did an activity on finding the highest value of x. You were to create an equation. So before you guys get started, I want you to go back to March 18th. I want you to look at that equation. It had a green background. You guys did some clicking and dragging. And I want to show you real quick what it looks like. It was this activity here. So what I want us to do today is I have provided a slide for us, and it is in Google Slides. I don't want you to press present. If you press present, you won't be able to do this activity. But these are all the equations that you guys came up with. Well, not all, just some of them. I picked picked a few of them. Now, all you have to do is click on the equation and drag it to answer your question. Okay, there's no need to type anything in these equations. So just click on the equation and drag it. I want to know which two equations have the highest value of x. There are two. So a lot of these equations did not meet the qualifications for that activity last Wednesday. And then one of these equations has a value that is a fraction. So I want you to identify that equation and drag it underneath the question. On both of these, I want you to tell me what the value of x is. I want you to tell me what the solution is. All right, that's that. And I've made a copy for you in your classroom. Okay, in the classroom, you have a copy. Open up the copy and click and drag. Most of that activity should be mental math. You shouldn't have to get paper out. You just do some mental math. All right, I have a few vocabulary words that you need to look at. Solution, someone asked me what solution meant, and I've talked a lot about solution. It's just the value of x. And we've talked about integers. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers, and I've given you guys some examples of those integers. All right, we're going to take that same activity that you guys did last week, but I've changed it up a little bit, and we'll go to our Google Classroom. It's right here. Two-step equations, but this time I want the smallest value of x. So use the digits 1 to 9 at most, one time each. Fill in the boxes to find the smallest value for x. After you write your equation, I want you to tell me what the value of x is. The boxes, there they go. Fill them in, click and drag, and down here, you need to tell me what the value of x is. What is the solution? And all of this is in your classroom. Okay, this is where you're going to answer number 1. Okay, it's a Google slide again. Do not press present, because if you press present, it will not work. And click and drag. I just showed you guys this. All right, then this is what number 2 is. Okay, I want the value of x that is the smallest. Your answer may be a fraction. I'll give you a hint. It is a fraction. And then the last thing I want you to do is, oops, is that it? No, that's Thursday's work. We want today's work. All right. Complete the following task on solving equations. And again, I've made a copy for you in your classroom, equation match. And there are some instructions that our district math specialist, she made this video. She talks about how to do this activity, so please watch that. If you want to send her an email and thank her, I'm sure she'd appreciate that. So that's what's going on today. Hopefully these directions are helpful. And don't forget about Dreambox. Always make sure you fulfill your Dreambox 45 minutes or 6 lessons. If you have any questions, please let me know through email. Join me today at 9:45 for our live class. And also, don't forget about our class hours, 10:30 to 12. See you later. Bye-bye.